Hey, if you're on the keto journey or thinking about starting, it's not just about what's on your plate. There's a secret ingredient that many overlook, and it's not found in your fridge. Today, I want to share how spending just a little time in nature each week can seriously boost your mental health, reduce stress, and even help you stay consistent with keto. Let's dive into 3 powerful reasons why getting outside is good for your keto mindset. Point number 1, nature lowers stress and cortisol. Living keto can sometimes feel stressful, tracking carbs, managing cravings, staying social. But guess what? Nature is scientifically proven to lower cortisol, the stress hormone that can cause weight stalls and emotional eating. Even just 20 minutes in a park or your backyard can shift your mood and help your body reset. Lower cortisol equals better fat burning and better food decisions. Point number 2, mental clarity equals fewer cravings. Have you ever felt foggy, distracted, or overwhelmed, then suddenly found yourself grabbing something you shouldn't? That's not willpower, it's mental overload. Nature gives your brain a break. No screens, no to-do lists, just peace. And that mental clarity helps you stay focused on your goals, especially when cravings hit. A short walk outside can literally reset your mindset. Point number 3, it gets you moving without the gym. You don't need intense workouts to make progress. Just gentle movement in nature, like walking a trail, gardening, or even playing with your dog outside can boost metabolism, support blood sugar balance, and improve your energy. The best part, it doesn't feel like exercise. It feels good. So if you're feeling stuck, stressed, or just need a reset, get outside, breathe, walk, unplug. Nature won't just clear your head, it'll support your keto journey in powerful, unexpected ways. Make it a weekly habit and let nature do its magic. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe for more keto tips. See you on the next video.